Let's learn how to divide the number 925 by 5 using the long division method. To do this, at first we'll write down the numbers in this format. Consider the number 9. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get 4. Now this 4 is less than 5, so we will bring down these 2 here. Now we know that 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 5, so we will bring down this 5 here. And now we know that 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 925 divided by 5 is equal to 185. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.